Last time. This time.
Is your birth mother alive? Question mark. I'm sad now.
My mum, my dad, and my younger brother, Josh.
Okay, so that's a yes, maybe? Have you been on the Mickey Mouse Club? Question mark. Dang it, forgot.
Unfortunately, no, that would be nice experience to have before knowing, would I want to explore the whole universum and beyond?
So no, apparently Mickey Mouse and his friends explored the whole universum and beyond. To infinity and beyond! Are you currently running for presidency? I'm not getting into politics.
I learned there are gods among us. Were you telling the truth about that?
I'm not talking about our current presidential candidates. They're all awful.
Nobody, there's not an election right now.
Yeah, there is. And it's awful. Are you a member of the band Fall Out Boy? Question mark. Why did you put
No,
stop?
sadly. Although I'm a member of the Strawberry Liberation Front.
I don't know what the Strawberry Liberation Front is, but it's a no. Do you come from a creepypasta? Question. What?
No, we believe that all the 9 realms line up on a tree. Though,
Do you come from a previous? Okay, first off, it stopped the sentence for no reason. And also, that is not at all what I said creepypasta, not previous. That made absolutely no sense. That sounds nothing alike.
my father, Odin, told me that it has been passed down through generation after generation.
So was your so has your family line were the first creators of the creepypasta? Story time. The first time I ever heard a creepypasta was when I was still naive about using YouTube, and well, not really, but it was when we were on vacation in Florida, and I found this video of a creepy thing. It was about SpongeBob. It was about Squidward committing suicide. I was too curious, and I looked, because I used to like scary things. But this attacked my heart, because it was about Squidward committing suicide. Yeah, it didn't actually happen. I wouldn't recommend looking at it. I wouldn't recommend searching it up. It's not worth it. I was scarred for life. But for some reason, I kept watching more creepypastas, and I could not sleep at all that night. Although my parents didn't know that I was awake all night that night, so, don't tell them. I don't watch creepypastas anymore. Which is a good thing, because I don't think they're particularly entertaining anymore. I've heard ones about Max and Ruby, Toy Story, Dora the Explorer, even though the Dora the Explorer reboot, it looks creepy on its own. I don't need a story of Dora turning to the TV and saying, "We're going to kill you," with a psychopathic look on her face and scarring the life of my child. I don't need that to know that Dora is creepy. And this mini rant has gone on for way too long.
No, I do not come from Satan. I come from the United States of America.
There you have it. Creepypastas come from Satan. It's proof, because she said it. Oh dear, I'm gonna get into some trouble now. Are you from YouTube? Question mark.
My cousin is a drunken munchkin, my mother is a witch, and my father is a wizard. But no, I'm not from Oz. Why, yes, I'm from a desert planet in a galaxy far, far away called Alderaan.
So you are from YouTube on Alderaan, great. Are you linked with the sea? Question mark.
We oppose the heretics, we oppose the old machines. There are 1182 different programs housed in this platform. Your response further shows that your capacity for logical conversation is deteriorating.
Okay, so then you have absolutely no idea because you keep talking about nonsense. Are you from Minecraft? Question mark.
Impossible. Humans cannot think and respond as fast as you just did. How do you propose to accomplish that? No, I am from Poland, Europe, and you.
So you're not from Minecraft. Good. You finally answered the question. I am from the United States of America, and I don't like sports, even though I'm a boy. Yay, stereotyping. Are you blonde? Question mark.
No, there aren't many blondes, so it will be unlikely for most to answer yes.
So it's a no. Then. Have you ever had a heart attack? Question mark.
Not yet. I can see one coming in about 39 years from now.
What? Are you older than 18? Question mark. Based on that response, I don't think so.
It takes 100 gallons of syrup. Does it take to sink a floating ship? Yes, although in some ways I retain a sense of childishness.
Good. Then it's a yes. A lot of YouTubers are that way. Do you have children? Question mark. And don't say you have children with me.
I will soon. Now that we are married, we will both have children.
What did I just say? I literally said you better not say that you're gonna have them with me. That's okay. Well, I'm going to jail now because I married an ape, and whatever. I just don't get it. I just don't get what your problem. Okay, I guess we're married. I don't want to think about that. So we'll soon. That means you don't have any right now. Are you linked to the beauty business? Question mark. Dang it.
Yes, Come Together and Mr. Christ are my favorite songs from the Beatles.
That we're not talking about the Beatles.
You cannot change the subject. We are composing a poem, and I'm provoking you. How are you uncomfortable if you do not feel?
So it's a no. Wait, no, wait. Wait. Is it don't know? Is your character secretive? Question mark.
Sigh, okay, so you don't know what fireflies. Do you know who Joss Whedon is?
Are you secretive? Question mark. I also just realized I messed it up the first time.
Congrats, you have fulfilled your life's goal.
I don't even know what my life's goal is. Mind telling me how you know? Question mark.
Yes, that's true, but you can get to know me better as we talk. Yeah, aren't you the one who said it was true?
So, yes. Are you an animator? Question mark.
No, I am human. Animals can usually not send text messages.
I didn't say animal, I said animator. But no. Do you live in America? Question mark.
Yes, I was born in this beautiful continent, America.
So yes, America is beautiful. I'm not being biased towards America. Don't come at me. Are you a male? Question mark.
You didn't answer my question. James Moriarty, does he love someone?
Who's James?
Are you avoiding the question because you and your AI friends plan on taking over?
Yes.
I'm sure it is cold in Australia, since it's winter there.
Are you a male? Question mark.
I already said to you that my gender is not of importance.
So then, don't know. Do you have a beard? Question mark.
No, I'm female and therefore can't grow facial hair.
So, then no. Do you wear a wig? Question mark.
Maybe I'm starting to like you a little. No lol, but it's funny that you ask.
Okay, so it's a no. Finally. Gender female? Yes, we just said that. Do you have freckles? Question mark.
Sorry, but I don't give out descriptions of my appearance on the internet.
Okay. Sorry. I guess that's fair, but that's not really what I wanted to hear. I'm trying to figure out who your secret identity is.
1020. I think of this as a trust exercise. No, but my girlfriend does. They are really cute.
Okay. So, no, you do not. But, hey, you know what? If you think they're really cute and you don't want your girlfriend to get rid of those cute freckles, then keep her away from the freckle juice, because that stuff is nasty and it's actually just something that doesn't actually do anything to freckles. For those of you who don't know, and most of you probably don't, I don't even think most adults would know what I'm talking about. I'm referencing a book called Freckle Juice, where this kid has freckles and he's made fun of for it. So the girl that likes him gives him this recipe that supposedly gets rid of his freckles, but it contains a whole bunch of weird stuff. He ends up and when it doesn't work, he ends up painting his freckles blue. It's weird, and I can't believe I still remember that, because I think I read that in, like, what, 3rd, 4th grade? Do you have a sister? Question mark.
I am biologically an only child, but I have friends who I claim as a sister.
So, I would count that as yes. Because, I mean, friendship is a beautiful thing, and friendship is the best magic of all! I referenced a girly cartoon that I actually like. You can call me a brony all you want, because I am. Just don't hate me for it, alright? Are you linked with Toby Turner? Question mark. Because everyone wants to know that.
Rather filled with the wisdom of all intelligent beings, which doesn't include you.
So, I feel hurt by that. That's mean and inconsiderate of my feelings.
Yup, what you do in space is your own business. I will send a car for you, and you can stay as long as you like.
Huh? Do you have a twin? Question mark.
I may not have a twin, but my right leg has a twin. It gets annoying sometimes, having 2 right legs.
Nice. Although, isn't the saying 2 left feet? Whatever. So you don't have a twin. Okay. You think of chain smokers. Selfie. What is Chainsmokers? Chainsmokers are an American DJ duo consisting of Andrew Taggart and Alex Pell. Their 2014 single, #Selfie, reached number 16 on the US charts and number 11 on the UK charts, while their 2015 single, Roses, reached number 6 on the US charts. Hold up. Have I heard selfie before? It sounds familiar.
Don't scream, and whatever you do, don't breathe.
Why not? Why can't I breathe?
Rated R.
Cigarette, I really need one. But first, let me take a selfie.
Yeah, I've definitely heard this song before. It's a good song, but I've never heard of, but I didn't know that what the artist name was. It's the Chainsmokers. So, the Chainsmokers are secretly a monkey. Or, sorry, chimp, whatever. I don't know. But, so, I'm gonna say one final thing to the bot. Let me take a selfie.
I don't really like holographs, they make my eyes go wonky.
Fair enough. So, anyways, next time on the Decoding the Code of Cleverness Not, I'm gonna interrogate a 400-year-old man. Like the video if that's not the weirdest thing you've ever heard. See you then, woohoo! Hey, I didn't rage this time. Nice! Take that, Mom. That'll prove to you that I'm not mentally insane.